Okay, so we're going to paste the link in the browser, and then it should take us directly to the link. I'm hoping it doesn't. Okay, there we go. And then you click on Use Template, and if you haven't signed up, then it'll have you sign up or log in. I'll just log in. And then what it does is it opens the template, okay, to a copy, all right? And so then you can, when you can add your logo, like my logo is right here. You might want to change that to your logo. And then you can click download, click here, click 1 to 6, so you uncheck everything and then just pick the one. And then you can click done, and then you can download. And that's it.